The town of Tubungan was formally founded in 1768 through the efforts of Tan Mangon in Barrio Tin-An that now forms part of the present town site. Settlers came from Nahapay, Gimbal, and from neighboring towns of Leon, Igbaras, and Tigbawan. In 1769, it was an arrabal, a political unit bigger than a barrio of Gimbal, and Agustin Mambute was appointed the first teniente to represent Tubungan in the municipal council. Not all heroes wear capes, especially when the time Tubungan separates from Gimbal. It happened as a direct result of keen political rivalry during the 1937 elections. A Tubunganon candidate for mayor in the person of Mr. Miguel Tagamunila won by 12 votes over a Gimbaleño candidate. Mr. Felimon Palacios was officially declared as the winner. Feeling aggrieved, the people from Igtuble, led by Teniente Donis Taghap, and from Lanag Norte, led by Tan Henton Francisco, formed an assault group to burn the town of Gimbal. However, they pacified and conceded to settle their scores through legal means. Mr. Miguel Tagamunila filed protests, and there were positive indications that would come out victorious. To avert political dissensions, the congressman of 1st District of Iloilo, Honorable Jose C. Solueta, and Provincial Governor Thomas Confessor made representation with the President to make Tubungan an independent municipality. Thus, on May 1, 1938, virtue of Executive Order Number 143 of His Excellency Manuel Luis Quezon, President of Philippine Commonwealth, Tubungan was finally re-established as an independent municipality with Miguel Tagamunila as the first mayor. It is 41 kilometers or 25 miles to Tubungan from Iloilo City. The municipality's terrain, which spans 18,518 hectares or 21,050 acres and is located 100 feet above sea level, is primarily made up of picturesque mountains and gently sloping hills. In most places, the slope gradient reaches up to 25%, giving the region an almost mountainous appearance. From its mountainous barangay, you'll find some Panay Bukidnon IP group. Also, Tubungan really showcased their mountain top view, especially in Igtuble, where it slowly became a tourist spot. With its 360 view, you can see there a part or Igbaras, Antique, and the ocean on the other side. Culture and tradition is unique in every town or municipality. And in Tubungan, Tubunganons gathers to celebrate and welcomes everyone to the celebration and rejoicing on this merry occasion. The quiet town transforms into a colorful and festive showground wherein locals, tourists from the neighboring towns gather to see and experience its vibrant cultural festival. Tubong-tubong derived from a Hiligaynon word tubong, or to contribute or to chip in. The town was an arrabal neighboring Gimbal. To be separated from Gimbal, residents from neighboring Leon, Igbaras, and Tigbawan settled peacefully and permanently in the area, leading to its independence in May 1, 1938. When talking about food, Tubunganon have so much dish to offer, but its most special dish is the linagpang na manok na Bisaya. And to add, the one town on product that Tubungan can be proud of its tree of life, the coconut.